What is up, guys? We are here. We are on this second video. We are here. We have this. Still having a play date with Rayna. And this is her grandparents. Go ahead and get this started. Oh, the door! Woo! Don't go crew train. Don't go too crazy. Okay.
What's he giving you, the directions?
Huh?
What's he giving you, the directions?
Yeah. Making a YouTube video. That's her grandpa. Where's Rayna? Probably around back. Oh, okay. Should we go on the street? Yeah. We're going up the street because our road is closed because of this. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a road closed over there. So we're just riding up the street. While we're here on this thing, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, hit that subscribe and hit that like button and turn on the notification bell so you are notified every time we upload videos. There's a road closed down there. It's really fun. But we're gonna go ahead and end this video right now because the phone is running low on battery. We're gonna go ahead and make another video later to connect it. One last check. See you guys next time. Bye.